YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Chapo Blings checking in with another video, a haircut tutorial on coarse hair. This is my first time recording this video, so y'all give us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I'm bringing y'all this curly top fade. High fade is mainly used and seen on TikTok, so we're gonna call this a TikTok curly top. But yeah, so right now I start out with my parting. I'm gonna part everything that's gonna be at top and curled up, and everything that's gonna be faded down. So I'm basically just parting everything that we're gonna debug and stuff after this. Yeah, parting is very important when you're doing any undercut type of hairs or fades and stuff like that. So now I got my 2-guard on. I'm debugging everything on the side with my Wall Seniors. These are customized as well by me, but I've took the idea from Sean Cuts Hair and I painted and everything by my own. So I just debugging everything on the side to just know what guard, highest guard that we're not gonna pass, and blend into the top. So then now I got my Slimline Pros to create my guideline on my first ball line. I do it upward, but I really don't like that type of look. I want everything to be cleaned up and nice, so I turned it back around and printed a hard line on there, and I dropped it in the back so it can be a little dark in the back, giving my fade an illusion of darkness in the back. So now I just got my lever open on my Babyliss, creating like a 1/2 inch guideline. And this is my first time doing a video like this, man, so y'all make sure to like and comment and subscribe. You know, a lot of people probably didn't think I knew how to cut coarse hair, but I also, you know, trying to practice to cut all types of hair, so, you know. And I got more videos on the way too. Videos of customizing clippers and putting modified blades. Now you can see as I got my lever closed and just flicking out that bottom line, fading it in up to where we not gonna pass the lever open. I'm just flicking using the corners. It may look like I'm using my whole blade, but I'm using just my corners and flicking at the line and making sure that I knock all that dark lines or darkness at the bottom. And we're not going to focus on detailing too much right now. We're just going to focus on our system, which is lever open, then closing, and then etc. Y'all, if y'all haven't checked out my videos, man, make sure to check out my other videos that I have into going to school and by my barber studios. Now I got my 1 guard. No, my 1.5 guard. I skipped my 1 guard and I went straight to the 1.5 because I like the contrast that it gives me, the darkness and fullness of the fade. especially we had this tight blend at the top, so I wanted to give it that dark illusion there and keep that darkness and fullness. So I just do my 1.5 all around. And then right here I switch to my 2 guard and I'm just going back over anything that I missed. I'm just going back over my 2 guard and I'm just knocking it out. Then y'all see in the future of the video that I just used my 1.5 open, and then I went with the grain with it to lay the hairs down and knock anything, them little spots that y'all see there. Now I got my 1 guard on and I'm just basically flicking out like if it was a 1/2 guard. I just got my 1 guard and I'm flicking it with it closed, you know, to give it that illusion there as well. Pretty dope haircut that turned out as well, man. Shout out to my boy. He's really one of the first haircuts that I cut you know, since I started barber school, and it's like great to have them relationships with them type of people, because like they go in your whole journey when you started cutting hair to now, to where you like building up and knowing and having that barber eye and knowing how the fade's supposed to look like and know your steps and stuff. And they've seen me at my lowest when I was cutting hair, so shout out to them, man. So now I'm just detailing right now. I'm detailing. I got my 1.5 guard, just going around dark spots, just hitting them, seeing and knocking them hairs that just don't fit in with the fade. Yeah, I turned the clipper around in some point and they'll lay good. The hair lays down good and fits in so perfectly. So you just keep brushing. You gotta keep brushing. Gotta keep brushing. Now I got my 1 guard, and I'm just doing detailing, man. Detailing is key. Detailing is going to separate you from other barbers and other any type of haircuts that you got. You know, detailing on a lot of haircuts, your detailing is gonna show and a lot about your haircut. So now this is where I curl his hair, and I'm putting the Can-Tube curl activator, and I'm just putting it straight to the root. I'm just twisting it up. It's not no proper way to do this. Just part it and do it, you know, piece by piece. Haircut turned out to be dope too, man. So I just did this. I haven't lined them up yet. I'm gonna line them up after that so I can see, you know, what type of effect it's gonna give me. If it is gonna be like if he had two strand twists or dreads and stuff like that. I'm gonna just see how it looks after when everything's done on there. So this is how it looked. So now I can just debulk the front of the hairline, parted it, and I debulked it. And this is how I prep the hairline. I like doing this. A lot of people don't do this, but I like doing it because it gives you a good hairline. You know, it makes it pop. YouTube, man, this is the cut. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other videos. I'm out. Peace.